What's up viewers, hope you're well. Today's self-care presenting a new video about sleeping positions. Are you having trouble sleeping? Do you think it's because you are not getting the comfort you need? A satisfied sleep sometimes depends on our position as we slumber. Take a look at the sleeping position and see how they can good or bad for your body. In this video, I will show you the top 5 sleeping position. So keep watching, be healthy and happy. This is our YouTube channel, Self-Help Care. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's start our today's topic, best sleeping positions. The laid back. Because this position maintains the neutral posture of the body, blood circulation continues to flow the natural way. You won't experience any muscle cramps with this position because does not give too much pressure on your joints. It is also good to note that sleeping on your back will prevent wrinkles as your face won't to be subject to any crumpling pressure. The side position. Here is the sleeping position that is considered as the most relaxing for a lot of people as it prevents pain in the neck and back. If your stomach is prone to acid attacks, this position could help you soothe the pain. It is also the advised portion for pregnant women. Sleeping on your side is the best posture health wise, but the same cannot be said when it comes to your skin. It could produce wrinkles because your skin would create increased pressure against the pillows or the bed itself. The starfish position. This is very similar to the laid back position, but the difference can be easily found in the position of the arms, which are spread out. Though it is advisable for those who desire a healthy posture, it is not really beneficial to those who snore. Like the first position we discussed, sleeping in this manner will prevent leg cramps and those darn wrinkles. The free faller. Finally, some good news to all the snoozers. This is the best position for you. Sleeping with your face down allows a more open passage for your airway. The bad news is that this position is bad for those who suffer from neck and back pains. These are just some things you have to consider when you are used to this kind of sleeping position. Here's a short piece of advice. Place a large enough pillow under your chest and head when sleeping in the free faller position. It will prevent the distracting numbing effect. The fetal position. The fetal fetus or the baby position got its name because of the baby's position inside the mother's womb. It is said to be the most common sleeping position. It helps decrease snoring and it also advisable for those who experience stomach pains due to unstable acid. Placing a pillow under your head is also advised for people who sleep in this position.